take a quick ride to Novo? Yeah?
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds cool. Good. Do you want to drive it? Would you like to drive?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Did you literally just spawn in and find it?
Say again?
Did you literally just spawn in and find it?
No, I've been I've been running around for the last hour. I found it up in Novi. It's bloody noisy. Watch it, player coming. What are you doing, buddy? Be careful. Put that shovel away. Put that away. Good man.
Okay. Where did you find it?
In Novo.
Okay.
Have you seen many of these about or not?
Sorry? Say again?
Have you seen many of these about? Have you seen them a lot?
It's really hard to understand, it's so noisy. It'd be good when they put backs on them though. People can get in the back. I spawned in Cherno about an hour and a half ago and I just headed inland. And end up in sort of like Novi Sobor, Stary Sobor, and I just found it. By some big barns.
Have you seen a lot of them or not?
It's the only one I've seen. This only went up, come on experimental this morning.